Hi everyone. Are you looking for something fun or something different to do with your friends? How about starting a Buzzfeed quiz party? This is Kathy with the Salem Public Library, and I am going to be sharing with you today on how to do this. It's fun and easy. It's kind of a mindless thing that you can do, but have fun with your friends from anywhere. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these programs to you. So let's go ahead and go on over to the internet and I'll show you how to get there. So in your browser, whatever browser you want to use, all you have to do is you're going to type in Buzzfeed Quiz Party at the top, and then you'll see it should be the first one that comes up. So it will look like this. This is the website. As you can see, you can browse through the different categories there. It has featured, latest, TV, movies, food, Disney's. I mean, there's all different ones. Or you could just click right here in this search and type in something. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to click Disney for right now. So once the one comes up that you're interested in doing, so let's go ahead and click Frozen. You're going to click this, and then what you're going to do, there can be a total of 6 people, 5 including you. So you will go ahead and click Invite Friends, and it will give you an automatic link right up here to be able to send to your friends to join. All you have to do is click Copy Link here, and then you can send it using whatever messaging service you prefer. Once others have joined, you'll see their little icons show up here with their names, and you can have up to 6, like I said before. And once they're in, all you have to do is click Start the Party. It will give you a countdown, and you both can answer the questions at the same time as you go through. So I'm answering the questions. And then at the end, you click Done. And once you click Done, it will show you the side-by-side results from you and your friends. So it's kind of fun. You can see and compare with one another as you go. So it'll give you a fun thing to do when you're in different areas of the world even, to be able to keep in touch with your friends and do something fun. So the host can then, once everybody's taken the quiz and you've seen the results side by side, you can keep doing quizzes as long as you want. So that is what BuzzFeed Quizzes is, and it's fun, a fun way to connect with friends when maybe you're not able to physically be with them. So I hope you'll check it out and enjoy having a BuzzFeed quiz party. Have a great day.